Hi, what's your name and who did you dress up as?
Hello, I'm Alan from 22s, and I'm dressing up as Jon Snow from Game of Thrones.
Oh my god. So, do you have a favorite costume tonight?
I think, nung nakita ko pa lang, sobrang tawan-tawa na ako. Si George, siya yung nag-dress up as yung tomboy sa girl boy, bakla tomboy. Sobrang funny.
How would you rate it from 1 to 10?
I think 11. Kasi, I think, lahat ng mga nakikita ko super, parang in-game na like, sobrang nagpagandahan, diba? Tapos, sobrang natawa ko yung nakita ko siya.
At pinanganak niya kaming apat, si Girlie ang girl, si Peter the boy, at me, Marky, ganda oh, and that's funny. That's my tomboy. Yung putiki po. The putiki. How would you rate it from 1 to 10? Yes, girl! Hi, what's your name and what's your costume?
I'm Sean the Nexus Dongalio, tas butike.
Do you have a favorite costume tonight?
Syempre ako. Sino pa ba?
How would you rate your costume from 1 to 10?
11 out of 10.
What did you dress up as tonight?
We are Tinkerbell and Friends!
Okay. What's Tinkerbell? I'm Roslata! I'm Fawn. I'm Redessa. Lydia.
Who is your favorite costume tonight?
I think we have to be our favorite costumes for the night.
How would you rate yourself from 1 to 10? What's your costume?
Hi, I'm Pachis and I dressed up as Puka tonight.
What's your favorite costume here tonight?
My favorite costume for tonight so far is the one who was wearing the policewoman outfit in all black. 11 out of 10!
Hi, I'm